Hey everybody, it's the Good Math Guys again. Today in this episode we are going to be explaining another method to multiply multi-digit numbers. This method is called the area model. The reason for this video is because I see a lot of parents with pushback against this method, and I also see a lot of Facebook hate for this method as well. But I want to share this video to show you that there is a use for it. It does also tie very directly into one of the other methods that we taught you on one of our previous videos. It really caters to students who have a harder time memorizing the steps for the multiplying when we're talking traditional multiplication. So if we take the same problem that we've been working on in these videos, which was 32 times 24, all the students are going to need to do here is, just like the lattice method, they're going to draw a square here because it's 2 by 2. And then they need to expand each of these factors. They need to expand 24 into a 20 and a 4, and they need to expand 32 into a 30 and a 2. And what you do then is you split the model. This is the column for the 20. This is the column for the 4, and then here you're going to split this into a row for the 2 and a row for the 30. All you do now is just like any multiplication grid you've ever seen, is you just multiply here and here to get this product, multiply here and here to get this product, here and here to get this product, and then here and here to get this product. So very easily, 4 times 30, all you have to do is 4 times 3 is 12, and add this 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6, but you have this 0 and this 0, so it's 600. And then 2 times 2 is 4, and you have this 0, so it's really 40. So again, just like the previous video where we showed you total partial product, this method with the area model is very, very similar because you get those same 4 partial products, okay? And the process for finding your actual end product here is just like that video. You take these 4 partial products and you add them up. So you take 600, 120, 40, and 8, and you add them up. Add your ones first, you get 8. Add your tens, you get 6. And add your hundreds, and you get 7. So the product over here would be 768. Now again, I do want to reiterate that I understand that some people view this as an unnecessary amount of work. But I would like to remind you that those people are the people who probably understand the traditional method much more comfortably than somebody who does not understand the traditional method. This method here is very good for a visual learner, and it's very good for someone who has a hard time with any regrouping or any memorization of going from the ones to the tens. So again, this method might not be a method for you, but I assure you, in my 5th grade class, I would say at least 10 to 15% of my students would prefer this method. Eventually, they might get into something a little bit more difficult, but to start out, a lot of my students prefer this method. So with that being said, this method again is called the area model. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be patient. We got more coming. Bye-bye.